Nikon cameras are a true upgrade for any photo enthusiast. You might be a seasoned photographer or a total newbie, but there's a Nikon cam out there that matches you perfectly. Still, choosing between the versatility of a DSLR or the sleek innovation of a mirrorless camera can be a bit scary. But worry not, because these things are known for their superior image quality, high-resolution sensors that make sure every detail is sharply defined. And with features like advanced autofocus systems and impressive low-light performance, these things deliver on all fronts. Just look for models with customizable settings and robust build quality for both outdoor adventures and studio shoot. We've prepared our top 5 picks for the 2025 Nikon cams. Let's dive in. If you're new to this photography thing and want that perfect Nikon cam to start your journey, the Z50 might be your best bet. This thing feels like it was tailor-made for beginners, yet it packs features you'd expect in pricier models. The Z50 uses the revolutionary Z mount, which is bigger than what most comparable cameras pack. Why does it matter? Well, it means more light reaches the sensor, enhancing sharpness and color contrast. This is a game changer for beginners who want images with richer detail and clarity. Another standout feature is its 20.9 mpdx CMOS sensor that is paired with the X-Speed 6 engine. This setup ensures your photos and videos shine even in low light. Think of capturing vibrant cityscapes at dusk without the graininess you often see in budget cameras. Plus, the camera's autofocus is quick and precise, so you can capture fast-moving subjects with ease. For those who love experimenting, the Z50 offers 20 creative picture controls and 10 special effects. These can be previewed in real time, allowing you to see how each filter transforms your shot. Imagine adding a vintage feel to your beach photos or a dramatic effect to a city skyline, all with just a click. And let's not forget the video capabilities. The Z50 offers 4K Ultra HD and fun modes like time-lapse and slow motion, giving you the tools to craft your story your way. In essence, the Nikon Z50 combines beginner-friendly ease with advanced features, making it an unbeatable choice for aspiring photographers. Considering the price tag, we're pretty impressed here. If you crave the nostalgic charm of vintage cameras with a modern performance, the Nikon Zf is your perfect match. You're holding a camera here that feels like a classic film model in your hands, complete with tactile dials and an authentic design. It's still packed with today's cutting-edge technology. The Zf's retro appeal is more than skin deep. It's all about the experience. One standout feature is its dedicated black and white mode. This isn't just a gimmick. It's a tool for capturing the essence of composition, light and shadow, allowing you to focus on the art rather than post-processing. Think about turning a mundane street scene into a timeless monochrome masterpiece, something you might not achieve with typical color mode. The Zf also boasts a 96MP pixel shift mode, a feature that's rare in cameras within this price range. This is ideal for those who crave ultra-high resolution images, perfect for large prints or detailed cropping without losing any quality. While most cameras might capture a decent 24MP shot, this mode goes above and beyond, especially when using Nikon's free NX Studio software to merge up to 32 images into one stunning photo. Powered by the X-Speed 7 processing engine, the same powerhouse that's found in Nikon's flagship models, the Zf offers features like eye detection AF and 30 FPS high-speed capture, making it not only stylish, but also incredibly functional. For anyone looking to blend retro aesthetics with modern capabilities, the Nikon Zf is a top choice. Good stuff! If you're diving into the world of vlogging and want a camera that makes the process effortless and fun, the Nikon Z30 might be just what you need. This mirrorless camera is designed with creators in mind, with that 16-50mm wide-angle zoom lens that's perfect for capturing everything from close-up beauty shots to sweeping landscapes. Now let's talk video quality. The Z30 shoots in crisp 4K, ensuring your content looks sharp and professional. It features eye-tracking autofocus for both people and pets, which means you'll stay in focus even if you're moving around, a huge plus for dynamic vloggers. Compared to many entry-level cameras, the Z30's low-light performance stands out, so you can film confidently in less than ideal lighting conditions without worrying about grainy footage. Vlogging essentials like the flip-out touchscreen make solo shooting a breeze, and the built-in stereo microphone with adjustable sensitivity allows you to capture clear audio without needing extra equipment. The red REC light is a simple but effective touch letting you know you're recording at a glance. For live streaming, the Z30 is pretty user-friendly. It's basically plug and play when using it as a webcam over USB-C. You can stream in full HD 60p or even 4K 30p if you're using HDMI. Plus, with constant power over USB-C, you won't have to worry about your camera dying midstream. Amazing value for vloggers. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, we're looking at a cam that meets the demands of professional photography and videography, the Nikon Z9. This model not only keeps up with your fast-paced shoots, but exceeds expectations with its advanced features. With its impressive 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor and X-Speed 7 processor, this camera delivers stunning image quality and speed. You can capture high-resolution stills at 20 or 30 frames per second and even go up to 120 FPS at 11 MP, all without missing a beat. What really sets the Z9 apart is its subject detection capability. Thanks to deep learning technology, it can automatically track and focus on a variety of subjects like people, pets, and vehicles without fussing over menu settings. This means less time fiddling with controls and more time capturing the moment. For professionals used to dealing with fast-moving subjects, this is a game changer. The Z9 also impresses with its video capabilities. You can shoot 8K video at 30p for over 2 hours, which is quite rare in the market. Plus, the enhanced eye detection AF tracks eyes even when partially obscured, ensuring your subjects are always in sharp focus. Nikon's 3D tracking, now combined with deep learning subject detection, gives you unmatched precision in following subjects, making it ideal for wildlife and sports photography. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. And now meet this bad boy. It's called Nikon Z6 II, and it's today's winner, guys. This thing handles everything from stunning low-light shots to fast-paced action with ease. Its 24.5 MP BSI sensor is a game changer for capturing crisp images in dim environments, something you don't often see in less expensive models. Now let's talk speed. With a burst rate of 14 frames per second, you're set for capturing every split-second moment, whether it's a sport event or your kid's soccer game. This is significantly faster than many cameras in its class, ensuring you never miss a beat. When it comes to video, the Z6 II offers full-frame 4K UHD with full pixel readout, delivering top-tier video quality. For videographers, this means you can shoot sharp and vibrant footage comparable to professional cinema camera. One of the standout features is the dual card slots, combining CF Express /XQD and UHS-2 SD, which offer flexibility and peace of mind when capturing important events like weddings. You won't find this level of security in many entry-level cameras. The design of the Z6 II is both comfortable and durable, with intuitive controls that make shooting a breeze. Plus, the vertical grip compatibility and USB-C constant power ensure you're always ready for extended shoots or live streams without worrying about battery life. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it!